Toronto gang. I have to wrap the front bumper, so I'm going to remove, so getting more access and wrapping better for the fender and bumper. So I have to remove it. First, for the removing the bumper, if you see that corner here, this area with the tools, for the headlight remover from the Porsche, is always in the trunk, and then after you put this one, let it move, and then headlight gonna come out, so you can grab it and then unplug it. So I did already, and then I made the separate video. So now we're going to open the bumper. First you need to remove this plastic cover on the top. All with the clip. Those three holding. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it should be T30. So now upper part of the bumper got free. Okay, now we have to go to the side. If you see here inside the fender liner, 1 and 2 bolt for the cover, and then other one here. So first you have to remove that. I think it should be T20, because I already opened it the other side. After that, remove that fender liner. I hope you guys can see my camera. Oh, okay. 1 bolt here that holding the fender and bumper together. So I have to remove this one. If you have lifting or hydraulic jack, it's gonna be more easier. Actually, I cannot see that. Okay, yeah. Good. Okay, I got it. No, I didn't. I think slight difference, because this guy had accident to change the bumper. Maybe they changed the bolt too. That's right, they changed it. Because other side and then all other is the T20. This one now is T30. So, okay. Now this side open too. And then underneath it, you already also have the same bolts, 8 pieces. I already removed it. You can see. Yeah, 3, yes, 9 bolts. And then, so, other part. Okay, let me show you one thing. Look at here, from the other side. This is the something like the holder or something holding the fender and then bumper together. But this car before got wrapped, you can see those are red color and then those are glue here, but they didn't put that one. That's why I saw it, the gap is different. This one don't have it. I have to show this to owner too. So for removing that, tools like this from this side also have hole. Put that tools on hole. Why not coming out? Okay. This is, and when you want to install again, I will show it from the other side, like this. You just push it and coming in and then hold it up. Okay. Now, I think bumper is free. So, let's remove it. This is the how you have to remove the front bumper, but you have to unplug some cable here. First this one. Okay. They did really shaky job. Put all the cable together. Okay, and then you have here the one hose for the light washer here, and then if you see, okay, this one have plastic, this plastic, you remove it and then this hose gonna come out. Too much water. Do the same thing other side. Unplug the let me bring the screwdriver. Oh, why? Oh, finish. Okay. This is the way for the bumper. Look at how many water going. I hope you guys like the video. Sometimes put the something to take those water. Now I have to clean the shop. See you next time. Bye bye.